Are you pulling your hair out over CUDA errors, sluggish performance, or software conflicts? Let's dive in and fix those frustrating GPU issues. By properly uninstalling and reinstalling CUDA first, we need to uninstall the current CUDA toolkit. Go to your control panel, then select Uninstall a program. In your programs list, scroll down and locate any Nvidia Cuda related packages. This may include CUDA Toolkit and any related SDKs. You will need to uninstall each one. This is important. Do not skip any CUDA files. When prompted, confirm the uninstallation. This may take a few minutes as files are being removed. Repeat this process for all CUDA components. Once everything is uninstalled, restart your computer. Now, go to the Nvidia website. Find and download the latest CUDA toolkit that's compatible with your graphics card. Make sure you select the correct operating system. When the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts and choose a custom installation to tailor it to your system. Be sure to accept the licensing agreements. After installation, restart your computer again. Check if CUDA is properly installed by opening the Nvidia control panel and verify that CUDA is now working. Hopefully, this cleared up any issues and your system is performing much better now.